Hi guys, welcome to today's video. So we're doing another closet clean out today. Guys, I ran out of hangers and I have so many hangers. So that means I have way too many clothes. And I don't know, I just feel like I need some sort of change with like my style. I just don't like the clothes that I have anymore. So I want to do like a big closet transformation for the fall season, and the first step in doing that is cleaning out my closet. But I am really excited about today's video because it is sponsored by Poshmark. I've worked with them before and I absolutely love their app. And if you don't know what Poshmark is, it's an app where you can buy and sell fashion, and you can shop from thousands of brands like Lululemon, Nike, Urban Outfitters, Free People, and so many more. And the best part is that you can score deals up to 70% off of the retail price, so that's a really good deal. And when you want to sell your clothes on the app, it's a super easy process that you can do to make some money at home. And I'm gonna be listing a bunch of my own clothes on my Poshmark storefront. So if you guys want to go check out what I have up for sale, I will have that link down below for you guys with my username and everything. So yeah, huge shout out and thank you to Poshmark for sponsoring today's video. I will have all of their links and everything in the description box down below, along with the link to go and sign up. So I'm gonna start with showing you guys what my closet looks like first. So I don't know if you guys can kind of tell, but my room leads straight into my closet, which is all on this side. And then I have the washing machine and dryer on this side. And there's like a little shelf there, and I have my hamper over there, ironing board, just a bunch of random stuff. So we're not really gonna worry about this side so much. So yeah, that's what this part looks like. I know I have a ton of stuff. So I'm not really too worried about the stuff up there because, like, again, it's not closed, so we're not gonna go through that. It's not really messy, it's just like, I don't know, I have stuff stored up there. But basically I have all of my shirts, sweatshirts, dresses, all of that stuff hung up here. And I do have like a small pile of things here, so don't mind that. And then this is kind of like my dresser, I guess. So I have this cube thing. I think this is just from Target, but this is where I have like my skirts, shorts, jeans, workout clothes, pajamas, sweats, all that stuff. And then in these bins, I have bras, underwear, and socks, which I don't really need to go through that stuff, so we're gonna skip all of that. And then over here, I have my shoe shelf, some purses. That's my closet. It's packed and it really doesn't need to be packed, but it's okay, we're gonna fix it, it's all good. Okay, I started out with taking some pictures for the thumbnail just so it was out of the way and I didn't forget about it or anything like that. And I've been trying to decide like how I want to go about this, because this is like very overwhelming to me already. So I think the best way to go about this is to take like a small section at a time, take it out of the closet into my room, mostly because the lighting sucks in here, and just sort through it that way. I feel like it will be better for sorting like what I need to try on, what I definitely want to sell, and what I definitely want to keep. So I feel like it'll just be easier if I like take everything out there, you know what I mean? So I guess we'll just like jump into it and start with a section of clothes. Okay, I think the hair definitely needs to go up for this. Hold on. Does that look okay? I don't think that looks okay, but I don't know. We're just gonna say that this looks okay. Let's get into it. Casey, I don't wanna buy you drugs. Like you so much better. First section was not hard at all because I grabbed it from the front of my closet, and I tend to put like stuff that I wear a lot at the front of my closet. And then this is my pile of stuff that I need to try on. So obviously I'm gonna keep all of my sorority sweatshirts. These are called letters. So these are all really special to me, and I have gotten a couple questions. I am still in the sorority, but basically I'm just taking a break from it. I honestly just didn't have the time to put 100% into it. Casey, I don't wanna fall in love. Okay, this is how many hangers I have as of now. Obviously I still need to try on a bunch of clothes. That's pretty good progress because we just started, so I'm proud of myself. I don't tell you, give my trust like that. Oh. love this shirt so much. I think the colors are so beautiful, but honestly it's just a little too small for me, and there is no point in keeping clothes that do not fit you, because ultimately it's probably just gonna make me feel bad about myself anyways. There's no way I'm ever getting rid of this dress. I'm obsessed with this dress. This is what I wore for my 21st birthday, and I just love how this dress fits me and how it looks on me, and this dress is just so me, honestly, so I'm not getting rid of it. I'm also like switching all the hangers so all of my clothes are finally facing the same way. Yeah, I'm very particular. I grabbed a bigger section this time. I'm being a little more ambitious. I love this shirt so much, but again, it doesn't fit me. This one's actually too big. The straps are just like way too long, so it's gonna go. Okay, this dress was a contender for my 21st birthday. This does not fit me. I do not feel comfortable in this at all. It's gonna go. We are definitely making some progress. I know I'm definitely selling this stuff, and then this pile is stuff that I definitely need to try on. Not as overwhelming as I thought, so I'm really happy about that, but we are gonna take a quick intermission because I'm starving. So I'm gonna eat some lunch and then I'll get back to you guys in a minute. I made the Gigi Hadid vodka pasta yesterday. It's amazing, so I just heated that up, and I'm gonna eat this while I watch The Vampire Diaries because that's my favorite show ever. Okay, it's time to get back to cleaning out my closet, so let's get to it.
Again and again, she lays on way too tight, like it's a dear life, and I should probably run away. Said fuck my friend's advice, just come through tonight. I'll ruin my life with you.
This is the last section of hanging clothes.
Baby, but Casey, I don't wanna buy you.
This is some major progress for sure, you guys. I'm gonna hang all these up, and then I'll grab some of the pants and all the stuff that I have in my like cube dresser thing. These are all pretty much sweats, and you can't go wrong with sweats. So I'm keeping like all of these for sure.
Like you so much better when you're not.
Another stack done. Now we're on to jeans, which I have the worst relationship with jeans. I can never find ones that I truly love, and I have like 2 pairs that I do truly love, and then the rest are like Okay, these are all pajamas, so I'm pretty much keeping all of my pajamas because they're just like old shirts and shorts and stuff, and they're just pajamas, so there's no reason to like get rid of them. I have one more section. Here it is. I do have a couple big piles here. I'm not letting this overwhelm me. I love this skirt, but it doesn't fit me, and I wish it did, but my waist is not small enough, which is okay, but we're gonna sell that one.
Casey, I don't wanna fall in love.
Okay, this is the pile of stuff we're keeping, so I'm gonna go put this away. So here are our piles. This is the pile of stuff that I definitely want to sell, and then this is the pile of stuff that I need to try on and decide whether or not I want to sell it or if I want to keep it. So we're gonna start with this, and I guess just try on a bunch of clothes. Okay, this is the first shirt. I don't know. It is really cute for fall, but I don't know if this is like the vibe I'm going for, but like it does give me Elena Gilbert vibes, and The Vampire Diaries is my favorite show ever, so I'm gonna keep this one. Okay, this is just a plain basic white crop top. I don't know why I don't really wear this. I don't know, it is kind of like a basic, so I probably should keep it. Okay, this flannel. I haven't worn it yet because it has been too hot. It's really cute for fall. I'm gonna keep this. Okay, little puffer vest sort of thing. Definitely not with this outfit. Maybe just like with a sweatshirt. Okay, I'm gonna keep this too. This is another one where I'm like, I don't know why I don't wear this. I think I haven't really worn this because for some reason I thought it was more cropped. We're keeping this one too. Okay, I think I'm gonna get rid of the white one and keep this one. I think this shirt is really cute. I like the color. It's very comfy, but it just doesn't feel like me. Not the best color for me, so I think I'm gonna get rid of it. Okay, this is like totally see-through. This one's getting out of here. Okay, we're keeping this one. I don't know why I don't wear this. Why did no one tell me my hair looked like this? Sorry about that. For some reason, the turtleneck sort of thing, it just will not sit correctly. Like, I've always had a hate-love relationship with this sweater because it is cute. Like, the arms are fun, the color is very fall, and just like the overall knit sweater vibe is something that I really like. But I have always hated how it looks on me because this is like so baggy. It's like an awkward length for how long my torso is. So I think I'm gonna have to sell this one. Okay, I know this is like a basic white t-shirt, but I feel like nothing about this is flattering on me. Like the neckline, the color, the length. Yeah, I don't like it. As sad as it is, I think I'm gonna have to sell these because like they're not too like terribly short, but I don't know. I don't love the length on me. I don't think they're very flattering on me. I love the color, but not on me. So we're gonna make the move and sell them. They like just barely don't fit me. Like they're a little big in the waist to the point where it's kind of uncomfortable. They're like just a little bit too tight in the thighs, a little too tight in the front, so I think I'm gonna have to let these go. Okay, here is the progress update. So this is the pile of stuff I'm gonna sell on Poshmark. These are all the hangers that I have now, which is crazy, and this is all the stuff. It still has to be organized, but I just hung everything back up. But yeah, we honestly made really good progress. I'm very proud of us. I'm letting go of so many clothes, which is so good for me, and I'm so excited to go shopping and find some new staples for my closet. Let me know if you guys want me to do like a huge fall haul and all that fun stuff for you guys. I love try on hauls, so I would love to do that for you guys. I am gonna work on posting all this stuff on Poshmark. I need to take pictures of everything, do all the descriptions, post it, all that fun stuff. So I'm gonna work on that, and I will probably get back to you guys tomorrow with an update on how everything looks and what is all posted on my Poshmark. So I'll see you guys then. Okay, it's the next day and I have so many things posted on my Poshmark storefront, and I'm still gonna be posting more stuff after this video goes up. But I just wanted to show you guys my storefront, give you guys the @ and everything, and show you guys what I have posted as of now. And I'm just excited for you guys to go and shop my storefront. I'll be packaging all the orders myself, and I'm gonna package everything super cute, so don't even worry about that. Yeah, I'm definitely gonna have to find a spot to store all these clothes in the meantime before I sell them and ship them out and everything. But I am just so excited for you guys to go check out my storefront. Now, the moment that you guys have all been waiting for. I'm sure you're wondering what my closet looks like now. I just finished organizing it. Here's the after. Okay, so I organized all of my tops and stuff in different sections. So here we have my dresses, jackets. These are all sweatshirts, so I definitely am now aware of how many sweatshirts I actually own. It's way too many. And then I have some sweaters, long sleeve shirts, t-shirts, and tank tops. And then here I kept everything organized in like the same cubbies. So these are skirts and shorts, jeans, workout clothes, sweats, and pajamas, but I just kind of like folded everything so it looked a little nicer. And then we still have shoes over here, and I moved the purses over here so it didn't look as crowded. And look at all these hangers. Oh my gosh, you guys. Personally, I think it looks so much better than before. It's so much more condensed, and I honestly can't believe how many clothes like I just literally wasn't wearing. But I am selling so many clothes. I haven't counted yet. I will literally count how many things I'm selling after I'm done filming this clip. So that's the number. That's how many things I'm selling. But yeah, I'm just so proud of us. So yeah, that's gonna be it for today's video. I hope you guys enjoyed. Don't forget to subscribe if you're new here, and also follow me on all my social media. The links are gonna be down below. Don't forget to subscribe if you're new here, and of course follow me on all my social media. The links are gonna be down down below. And of course, don't forget to check out Poshmark. All of their info will be down below, of course. And again, huge shout out and thank you to Poshmark for sponsoring today's video. But yeah, that's gonna be it for today. Thank you guys again so much for watching. I love you guys, and I will talk to you very soon. Bye!